everyone, I'm Lina. Today we continue trading on the Quotex platform, and before we start, I recommend you trading by my signals where the profit of transactions is more than 80%. Please come to my Telegram for more details and let's start the trade session. Parabolic and indicator will be the main indicators I will use which indicate the direction of the trend, and also an auxiliary CCI indicator showing the overbought hour or underbought condition of the price. Let's start trading. And here we can open our downtrend. As we see that we have a high value on this currency pair. The price as we see it's not stable. As we see the support lines of the resistance line of this currency pair. Now we see how in the overbought state the price reached us. Now the price has pushed off from the resistance line. A reversal has occurred. So now we are waiting for a red candles to successfully close our deal. And let's wait for the ending. So we perfectly closed our deal and continue trading to another currency pair where the volatility is less high. Here let's open our deal to retrieve the price, since we now see that the price was in an overbought state for a long time, after which we see an uptrend smoothly. Now we are dropping, forming our support and resistance lines. Now we expect a red candle that it will be direct our trend to a downtrend, and let's wait for the completion of our deal. To reduce the price here, we also see that the price was in an overbought and underbought state, and it formed a support and resistance line. Now we see a smooth movement of an uptrend. The moving averages of the indicator indicate to us a sideways movement, so we can now wait for the intersection of the downward direction of our trend in the downtrend. So let's wait for the completion of our trade. The downtrend, from the impulse there was a sale where the price was overbought. As we see, the moving average lines of the indicator indicate to us the opening of a downtrend. So now we'll wait for the completion of our trade, which will close good. Here let's open our deal for a decrease in the price, and now we see how the moving average shows us a sideways trend. The downtrend, as we see, it's directed after which, as we see, a wave has formed where support and resistance lines are clearly visible. Now we are waiting a red candlestick where it will be possible to open a trade for an increased price, as we see that our candle will have to reach the level of the formed resistance. And we will successfully close our trade. The next currency pair, as we see here, we have a very impulsive, volatile market. Here we can open our trade to increase the price. Both support and resistance lines were formed. Now the price was in an upward state, but we expect that the green candle will follow us, which will give us an impulse. So let's wait for the completion of our deal. So well, as I said, the impulse pushed the price and continues to go up. But we go further to not lose the pace of closing our successful trades. So let's open our trade for an increase on this currency pair. Here, as we can see, we can still open one deal. Now we have the price and the movement of our moving average lines indicate to us that there is a trend reversal to an upward one. Our price should now reach an overbought state. The parabolic also gave an upward movement. Therefore, upon completion of this time frame, on the red candlestick, we can expect the continuation of the green candlestick, which will give us exactly the overbought state of the price. So let's wait for the completion of our deal. The first deal was closed successfully, and we also completed the second deal successfully. Now on the next currency pair, here we'll open 3 deals at once to reduce the price, since we see that now the downtrend begins with a reversal. These tell us that we now have to reach the unbought state of the price using the candlestick pattern. Now at the end of this time frame, we will see a red candle that will just close our deals in a plus. And let's wait for the completion of our deal. So we successfully closed 3 of our deals. Our red candle went downward, and we are on our last currency pair. And I think we will open our last deal. So I picked up this currency pair to open our deals for the entire amount on the downward trend. Since now we see in an overbought state, the price has sharply and impulsively reached our price. Now we expect a red candle, which is exactly what the reversal of the red candle will tell us. We are now from an overbought state. We expect that we will close our deal with a plus. On the continuation, a red candlestick at a trend reversal, after which the price can again bounce depending on the location of our support and resistance lines. But we will now close the deal with a plus. As I have already used this strategy and I closed this pair for a reason. So great, we close our deals, and let's think on this. We will complete our trading as we see. As I said further, the movement has gone up, and so we will close our deals. It was an amazing trade session today, and I recommend you trading by my individual strategy. For more details, please come to my Telegram. A good bonuses will be waiting for you. Thanks for watching. Bye.